Hey guys, in this video, I'll be showing you how to add or link email address to WhatsApp for verification. So if you want to add an email to your account for verification on WhatsApp, this is how you can go about it. With the email verification, you'll be able to substitute for SMS verification on WhatsApp. To set this up, open WhatsApp and tap on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen. Tap on Settings. Another Settings, you want to tap on Account. Tap on Email Address. And here you'll be able to add an email address. With the email verification, you'll be able to verify your account even without SMS, and your email won't be visible to others. Tap on Add Email, and in this section, you want to enter your email. Enter your email in this section and then tap on Next. Now a verification code will be sent to that email address, and you need to enter the 6-digit verification code that was sent to the email you have provided. You will need to check your email for the verification code. Enter the verification code that was sent and tap on Verify. Your verification should be successful at this point, and your email will be linked to your WhatsApp account. It's quite easy to unlink an email. All you need to do is come back to the email address section and tap on the pencil icon in this section. Here you want to tap on the three dots and you see Remove Email. Tap on Remove Email and then tap on Remove, and your email address will be removed or unlinked from that WhatsApp account. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you do find this video helpful, do make sure to like, subscribe, and have the post notification turned on.